Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install YouTube app on iPhone. Okay, first things first, you need to have your iPhone ready. Then, locate the App Store on your device. Once you have found the App Store, open it up. Then, tap the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the App Store, and in the search bar at the top, type in YouTube and then tap on Search. Once here, scroll through the results to find the YouTube app. It should be near the top of the list. And look for the Get button. If you have downloaded it before, you might see a cloud icon instead. Tap that cloud icon instead button and the app should be start downloading. After the download is complete, the Open button will appear. Just tap on it to open the YouTube app. You should also see the YouTube app icon on one of your home screen pages. If you can find it, you can navigate the app library and locate it there. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now install YouTube app on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.